Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and before we proceed with next step, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi. So you can avoid some additional charges. Here at the top, you've got this section software update. However, you can obviously tap on it. However, if for some reason your device is not showing you this option, all you have to do is to scroll down and go to system and update. Then let's tap on software update, and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios, two different results. So the first one is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you relevant information. And the second one is right here where there is an update pending. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install if you have to do it manually, or simply tap on restart now and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.